Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a smoothie, watermelon smoothie. I say watermelon smoothie because there's more watermelon in it. So you throw some watermelon into your blender, a little freshly blended ginger, and you add your pineapples. I love pineapples. I love the flavor. I love the sweetness, the tanginess, and then some grapes. I like adding grapes, but I don't like adding too much of it because it leaves a lot of particles. So yeah, I add my mango. This is a combo that I think you should definitely try. These fruits together. You're not gonna regret it. You should definitely try. It tastes amazing. Well, I make amazing smoothies, so and then I add a little bit of everything, a little bit of watermelon and more pineapple and more ginger so that it would fill up the blender. I'm gonna serve about 5 people, so yeah, so I had to add everything so that it can fill up the blender and then blend. And then our smoothie is ready. Yay! So I pour it into a jug to refrigerate. I didn't add any ice because I didn't want to add any water. So I just refrigerate it a bit and I'll serve it cold. Yeah, so time to taste. Oh my god, everything is just so perfect. It's amazing. You should definitely try this. Time for my banana milkshake. So I add Greek yogurt, unsweetened Greek yogurt. I love Greek yogurt. I love the unsweetened Greek. Anyone that knows me knows that I love smoothies and I love Greek yogurt. So yeah, I put my Greek yogurt in the blender. It's a little frozen because my fridge has been so cold, so it kind of froze it a bit. But yeah, it's fine. And then add some bananas. And then I like adding pineapples for the flavor and for I don't know, there's just something it does to it, but I do love pineapples in it. I just came up with it because I love pineapples, so I decided that I'm gonna add a little bit in this, and it always comes out really nice. You could also try adding strawberries. You could also try adding a little bit of grapes, but it's always a nice result actually. So yeah, these are some things that you can just try it at home instead of going out and buying ice cream or just buying flavored yogurt. So yeah, and this is amazing as usual. So I hope you try this at home and do enjoy. See you next time. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share. Bye.